Here we have a Winegard Road Trip T4 in-motion satellite system. For the satellite system to work, you're going to have to get a DirecTV or dish box, which will install right here with this coaxial cable, and then it installs with an HDMI cable that'll send the signal to your TV. Once it's all completed, you'll have to turn your dish on. By turning your dish on, it's just a power switch that says on or off. Once you turn your switch on, you'll hear your satellite start to operate, so it's going to search for a signal. Once it acquires a satellite signal, you can go ahead and follow the prompts on your TV screen on downloading the menus and also the stations. Your Winegard satellite system comes from the factory set up for DirecTV. Now, if you have Dish Network and or Bell TV, you'll have to come on top of the roof under this cover to set the switches up that correspond with the type of service you're using. So first you'll obtain the owner's manual or go online to Winegard and pull up the schematics to see how the switch is set up. Once you get that, come on your roof, you'll have to remove the cover. It's 6 little bolts that go along the base, like 3/8 bolts, which go along the base of the dome. Once you get them off, go ahead and lift your cover. There's no sealant on it or anything like that. Set the cover aside. You can spin this dish by hand, and then you're looking for the little white switches located in the panel here. As you'll see, the switches are there. They'll move forward, backwards, and just grab your manual or your online data and line up the switches that go inside with what receiver you're going to be using. Once that's done, you can go ahead and put your cover back on, tighten up your bolts, and then go downstairs and start setting up your receivers.